Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas at the wonderful Mirage Hotel and Casino, soon to be the Hard Rock. Actually, it is the Hard Rock, but they're still calling it the Mirage. That's what the sign out front says, so that's what I'm going to call it. I'm going to check out the pool and cabanas today, and a couple of bars too, so come along with me. The Mirage has this little shopping promenade. It leads from the casino to the pool doors and a couple of shops here and some casual restaurants and stuff like that. The Mirage really has a nice pool complex and it's always busy. One of the things I like about it is there's a change of scenery everywhere you walk, like this beautiful fountain here, and then you follow all these little hidden paths and you come across bars and cabanas and things like that. That's what I like about this place. It's got a lot of little cubby holes, a lot of little secret gardens, if you will. It kind of brings out the explorer in me. I love the landscaping also, just a little bit of everything. It's not just palm trees like other resorts. This place has beautiful trees and shrubs and flowers as well. And all this landscaping provides a abundance of shade too, something that's hard to find here in Las Vegas. See, this is what I'm talking about. I love these little paths and the lush landscaping and, of course, the shade on a hot day. Don't get me wrong, there's plenty of sunshine to be had here if that's what you're looking for, around the pools and little cabana areas as well, but it's nice to escape that, especially on a hot Las Vegas day, especially with a cocktail in your hand. If you're wondering what the Hard Rock's going to do with this whole pool complex, well, quite honestly, so am I. I have no idea. It's such a shame. It's a beautiful pool if they tear it down, but who knows what they have in mind. But I like the Mirage just the way it is. See these three chaise lounges up ahead? Picture yourself on a hot summer Las Vegas afternoon, sitting in the shade there with a nice drink in your hand. Let's check out some of these cabanas. These cabanas go for several $100s up to, well over $1,000, depending upon what you want to have come with it. But when you think about it, if you're doing it with like a group of 6 people and you divvy up the total cost of the cabana, it might not be a bad idea. The Mirage has a separate pool called the Bear Pool, B-A-R-E pool. It's for adults only, 21 and over. It's got DJs and a full service bar and a poolside menu and a VIP areas. It's a little bit more secluded and a little bit more, like I said, for adults only. It used to be top optional for the ladies, but that's come to an end, and we can see Hard Rock making some changes already. Hard Rock has also quietly closed the Siegfried and Roy Secret Garden. It was a dolphin and big cat sanctuary. It's been closed now for months, closer to a year, I guess. Don't know what the plans are for that area. Again, it's huge back here, and I just don't know what's going to become of this whole complex once Hard Rock starts making some changes, if they make changes back here. Who knows? If you visit Hard Rock casinos at other locations around the world, there's plenty of them everywhere, and you're a Unity member, you might have started getting offers already from the Mirage here in Las Vegas. I started getting offers around several months ago, and they're certainly making it tempting to visit Las Vegas again soon and staying here at the Mirage. My last trip to Las Vegas was not too long ago, and I stayed right here at the Mirage. There's tons of videos on the volcano, on the room, of course right here on the pool. I do an extensive tour of the entire hotel and casino, so check those videos out just in the New York search bar. Just type in Mirage and you'll get all those videos here on this channel. The videos on this channel are packed with information and tips if you plan on visiting any of the areas this channel covers. The Mirage Pool, I believe, is open all year round, and it's open 9 to 5 every day. It is free to any of the hotel guests. The bear pool that I spoke about earlier is closed during the winter time. If you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button underneath the video. It makes videos like this particular one possible, and if you do, you'll get a shout out on a upcoming video, and a shout out to Richard Hales, who gave a super thanks on my latest NCL or Norwegian Cruise Line video, the morning trivia video. Thank you so much, Richard, for your continued support of the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.